going to say you look for mentors and you don't look for mentors. Okay, I'm going to say both, because oftentimes, well, I guess in both ways you're looking for mentors. Take note of people who show interest in you, who say, oh, will you do, come up to you and say, would you like to go to this conference? I would like to have you present or talk. Or just, how is your work going? Asking you, how is your work going? Someone who shows genuine interest, and when you stop and reflect on it, that person is really interested in what I'm doing and how I'm doing. So you turn back to them and start to have more conversations. And the other is to look for people who you see doing things that you feel are positive. I noted that he was working with this student and how well that is going. He's working in an area of interest for me, so I'm going to talk to him starting from that standpoint, because you can't have mentors specifically for where you're trying to go in your work. Not all of them is that general. So you look and you seek out people that are doing that, but you really try to read how are they doing that. So I don't know if I gave you a good answer, because I think it can be either way. But you need mentors. You need mentors. And if I can talk more about that with you, if you got some people you're trying to decide. But I think in general, that's the way to think about it.